Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the user interface settings in Icarus. Let's begin by opening the settings. Do so by pressing the gear icon or the escape key. Then go to settings. From there, make sure you're in the gameplay tab and scroll down to the user interface. Here you can enable or disable the blueprint tooltip open animations, workshop tooltip open animations, skip startup movies, display temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, disable map selection warnings, change the crosshair color from white to red to other provided, and choose the crosshair style from one of many provided. After making your changes, press back and escape, and you're ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.